What's up, guys? I just finished washing my car and I did the glass. It is fucking hot outside, so excuse me if I look all glossy, but this is my 2006 RSX. Did I put everything on? Did I? Yeah, I did. My 2000 RSX Type S. It's a little project car that I got over the last week or so. Damn, these windows needed a cleaning bad. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing the interior, and I thought, well, might as well vlog a little bit of the interior process, so that way you guys can see how much work needs to be done on the interior. It's not a lot, honestly, but I want everything to be kind of good, you know. It seems like some of the things on this car were done in the garage and they weren't done as clean. So that's it. Oh, I need to fix my mirror. Sheesh. Still getting used to this car. Yeah, there's also like a lot of these little things on the window that I need to get off, but I'm not about to sit there and go like this for an hour when I can just get like a little straight blade or something and just, there's a lot of adhesive everywhere. But overall, it's a good car. I love it. Been driving it ever since I got it. Always wanted this car. Need to redo some of the tint too. The hatch door needs to be done, and so does this door. But once I get to my grandparents' house, I am going to start my interior.
But they all up on the same shit, different races. They wanting for the cloud, forgetting what space is. That pretty head in the clouds gon' mean the thunder is loud. She'll keep my name in her mouth to get above me, to get above me. She gon' run about who she know, where she go, trips down to Mexico. How she go, I don't know, but I don't really care. Oh, just stay away, just stay away. I don't care for what you say. But she gon' be like body, body, body. When I step up out the lobby, she know the smell of money.
Alright, so this is the interior of my RSX. Whoever put this on didn't do it right. It's open right here, and it is open right here. Tried to clip it so many times, doesn't. So it wobbles a little bit. Airbag is on. There's this. Some shift knob. It's dope, but this gets in the way. I'm gonna try and get in reverse. I also don't like how it's open. Some people do, I don't. Stitching needs to be redone. You can tell that the interior was tan prior, but they redid the inside, so I want to clean this up or perhaps take it all off, not too sure. Probably keep it on, get a black seat. This side too, horrible, and trash, and that is, sorry if that's gonna get annoying. And someone is here, I don't know who that is, but oh, the interior, they took out the back right here. They took all of that out, this side as well, and the seats aren't put in properly, and the back was done. I went to a pick and pull the other day and pulled out the trunk liner because the subwoofer could not, there was nothing in there. But this is my interior. Oh, also have these right here. Pretty sure you guys saw them earlier. But yeah, other than that, let's get to getting this bad boy right. Let's go. So I'm gonna be cleaning with this Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant from Chemical Guys. Some of my friends went and they said that the products from this brand actually are really, really good. So I'm gonna see what wonders they can do here.
My assignments to be timeless, on the road getting mileage, on the top list. I don't wanna see your face no more. Step away, no. Your man going home, but he ain't going low, yeah. Keep your nose up on my pay stuff. They ain't showing what I make, no. I just wanna see the mansion.
finished cleaning the car, but it's so hot that my GoPro overheated and turned off. You know, that was a thing. But yeah, so this is my interior now. It's a little shinier, a lot less dusty. I do need to do some touch-ups on the windows that I missed, but everything looks a lot less like, you know, old. A few scuffs here and there. I think it looks like I can take that off. I don't know. Unless they painted it because it was tan. I think it's actually, that's what it is. Because the interior was tan originally. Over here, it's still tan. So, they could have just painted it. Yeah. That's it right here. It's a lot better. It looks way better. Sheesh. It's really. It's really fucking hot though. God. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do a little walkthrough around the car.
That's not how it goes down.
I need to take this off too. Stock rims, powder coated. I don't know what this says. So this is what I mean by he took out the padding. I had spaces on it, but they were broken. See, it broke off.
We at the beach, you put her feet in the tide. I don't wanna be guy, I'm just one of the guys. My candy apple, won't you save me a slice? I made the truth with your parents, I won you 2 teddy bears and got you home before the strobe lights. Now run along, won't you? There's nothing wrong with you. My baby Stacy put the blue in the vibe. She changed the mood of the town. I play the music she likes, and when you groove, it gets the room right. It keeps the fellas aroused, it keeps the ladies enticed. Wouldn't you know that I'm the only one? I wouldn't call it divine. I'm enjoying the ride, and though you're nothing but a low life, I get along with you wrong or right. Say, I get along with you.
Gonna go sneak up on Chris. You doing, compa? What are you doing? Oh, the brush for the interior? Dude, this fucking battery dies so quick.
So roger that, heart colder than a bitch, cause the bitch froze at that. Like apostrophe goofy, forgot to come in the back. Say on what 250K, we could better trail on that little.
What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223.
What is that?
Waterless car wash? I'm saving the environment, my guy. Well, you didn't see it when you went to the car?
Yeah?
That came or you had to buy that extra?
I bought it extra. But it came in the case that I bought.